Welcome to EHOVE Collision and Refinishing. My favorite thing about being in collision and refinishing is detailing the cars or painting different cars.
Paintings, definitely painting.
When you come into EHOVE, you get to learn a lot more and get into a workforce that you want to do in your future career.
What's your favorite part about lab?
Probably the ability to bring stuff in and work on what you want.
It makes me feel very accomplished.
Can you show us how to love? Yeah.
My friendships in this lab have been excellent.
Do you enjoy taking out debts?
I do. I think it's really satisfying.
They are kind to everyone and very supportive in what you do.
Now, what's your favorite thing about EHOVE?
Working on cars in the lab.
You should come to EHOVE for the real-world experience. EHOVE has gave me the skills to prepare me for the real world.